Hi everybody, I'm in Fairview, Pennsylvania right now, and as you can see behind me, there's an abandoned Shell station, at least what looks like it used to be a Shell station, so let's go check this out real quick. I'm actually on a road trip right now and had to stop to use the restroom and thought maybe we'd stop and top off the tank while we're here, but unfortunately, this place is very much closed. And in very bad shape, apparently, too. Just by the looks of the sign from there, let me show you again. Has the V power on there. That's pretty much what I remember of Shell. There's none in my area anymore, but looks like that used to definitely be a Shell. But all these pumps have been ripped out, and I'm sure that the underground tanks have been as well. Wow, this is just in ruin. And you can see my wife over there. Don't know what she's doing. Oh, she says she found something. Well, let me pan over this real quick so you can see this. But the store itself is completely boarded up. No way to even see inside. Let's see what my wife got excited about.
You might want to move it.
Oh, it's the old Shell sign. Yep. Took the Shell sign down and just threw it over here. And looking over here, the men's room door is open. But it's all so grown over, I can't even get back there.
I'm not even attempting that.
Wow. See if there's even a pathway over here.
Used to be.
Well, there definitely used to be, but it's all grown over too. Yep. Been closed for quite a number of years, I would suppose, just by looking at this tree that's growing here that I'm sure was not here originally. All this foliage here, I'm sure was not here.
And this bundle of hay is no more of a bundle.
My wife found something else here too. We look down on the bottom here. Used to be some sort of a sign of an advertisement. Don't know what it was trying to advertise, but whatever it was, I think used to stand here. No, it's on a cement block right there. But it's decayed to the point where it just couldn't support its own weight anymore. It rusted completely through. But now they're just using it pretty much as a parking lot for all these portable car dealerships. Well, everybody, that was just a quick look at this former Shell station here in Fairview, Pennsylvania. We're going to hit the road again and see what else we come across. So, in the meantime, thank you much. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you can hear me in this wind. Keep it real, and I'll see you in the next video.